Man, I still can't get over what 2810 did to me. How did he turn red and become so mean? I wonder if anyone saw him. Let me check with alerter. Hello? Alerter, have you seen 2810? He's now an evil tornado siren named the Burpinator. He also has zero tolerance for burps and fired his laser at me when I drank my Tempest Cola and burped. No, but I also encountered an evil tornado siren who launched me all the way to Snurby Mart. Wait, there's more than one evil siren. Oh shoot. I am on my way. The fools still don't know who is really behind this. Let me send the 4 sirens to ATI's appetizers.
Man, I am so hungry.
Me too.
Well, time to polish off this Eclipse pizza and this Tempest Cola.
That sounds good.
Hey, what do you say?
Go away 2810. Why are you red?
I am not 2810 anymore. I am the Burpinator. I will destroy you with my laser, if you burp.
Well crap.
I'm a firing my laser!
J to T22. Can you pass the ketchup?
Sure yo WS 1212.
Hey, you idiots having lunch? Eat this instead. An extra large thunderstorm with a side of lightning. I'm back, you idiots.
Me too.
Oh crap. ATI's appetizers is under attack. I gotta warn everyone. Attention. ATI's appetizers is under attack by evil tornado sirens. Do not go to ATI's appetizers until all clear is given.
Wow. What happened to you? And why are you with this big old paint bucket? Hey. I got attacked too. Fury Bolt showed up and made lightning zap me here. I crashed into the wall right above this toilet. He's right. And I'm not a toilet. Anyways, I encountered Bose Musin. However, she is red and evil. She sounded off all her siren tones simultaneously, which blew me all the way here. What happened with you in 2810? I was enjoying a nice cold Tempest Cola and burped. 2810, or now referred to as the Burpinator, appeared and torched my head before running off. Holy crap. How could all of this have happened? I'm not sure. Let's watch the news from that TV over there. Maybe they will know where they went. This is a bad warning. ATI's appetizers has just been attacked by 4 evil sirens. 2 sirens have been damaged, and at least 10 are unconscious. But a majority managed to escape the restaurant. The suspects are Fury Bolt, ATI, the Burpinator, and Bose Musin. If you see any of these sirens, hide somewhere so they can't see you. I was supposed to be the evil one around here, and now I got dethroned. I won't stand for this. I never thought I'd say this, but I suggest we work together to defeat them. Are you kidding me? After all the crap you did and the times you emptied your in my horn? No way. Come on. I may know what's happened to them, but only if you'll have me. No. Then look at it this way. With a few exceptions, I usually take pleasure in being evil by calling other sirens bad names and trashing places.
A few exceptions. You caused a nuclear meltdown in Milwaukee, made an evil clone of yourself, put hot sauce into other sirens' eyes, exploded a firecracker at Sycamore Mall, and crashed my computer.
These sirens would do the same thing in addition to beating up anyone they see. And their powers are much greater when combined than mine alone. Would you rather be crapped in addition to being zapped by lightning, and beaten up?
I would rather not have to deal with them, are you?
Look, have you ever heard the saying, the enemy of my enemy is my friend?
You know that won't last forever, don't you?
Hey, guess what? We're back, and more evil than ever.
Oh.
Moja, face our wrath. Now we're off to school with other sirens. Until next time, toilet, bucket, and square trumpet. Ha.
Well, toilet, what do you think? Learner, looks like we have no choice.
This goes against everything I said about P50, but fine. I guess we will have to take them out together. Though you still are a barf bucket.
First let's go to the fix and clean and get my head fixed. My collector rings are busted and I can't fix it myself this time. Okay then.
You are all under arrest for damaging to sirens, causing 10 sirens to pass out, and trashing ATI's appetizers.
Moja, do you really think you can put me in jail after the last time we have met?
I am ready for you this time. Me and the guards have earplugs that will lessen the intensity of the beep. Guards, get them.
Face my clones. Face them.
Oh crap.
Oh my god. They overpowered us and blew us into the police department.
We really misjudged them this time.
Agreed.
We need to use the wireless emergency alert and send out a civil danger message to all the sirens.
Okay. Okay, that is better. Oh crap. The 4 sirens have escaped arrest and are still on the loose. We need to get to the bottom of this.
Agreed.